So I'm gonna start saying that today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Couple months ago, my Macbook Air was telling me that I had to change the battery, but instead I decided to buy one. So this thing I found on Amazon or however you say it. It cost me 52 euros. The only problem is I have no idea how to do this. Risk of fire or burn if mishandled. Do not remove, disassemble, puncture, drop, crush, or expose to fire or temperature. No, Apple. I won't. Just gonna remove it. And that's the new battery. Nice. Let's get to it.